Hi guys, so today we are taking a slight detour and checking what the program guide has to say about the course. The program guide starts with the introduction to university. So let us cover some basic points before we come to the important part. Indira Gandhi National Open University is a central university established by an Act of Parliament in 1985 and is the world's largest university. They claim to have 21 school of studies, 67 regional centers, including 11 recognized regional centers for Indian Army, Navy and Assam Rifles, 3,500 study centers, 12 overseas study centers, and offers over 200 academic, professional, vocational, awareness generating and skill oriented programs at the level of certificate, diploma, bachelor's degree, master's degree and doctoral degree. University is offering 15 courses on Swayam. I don't really know what this is, so if you want you can Google it for more information. Now coming to School of Social Sciences. So School of Social Sciences offers academic programs in 8 disciplines: anthropology, economics, history, library and information science, political science, psychology, public administration and sociology. The school also undertakes training programs in the areas of disaster management, human rights, tourism and other contemporary social issues. Now coming to the course itself. So School of Social Sciences and School of Humanities are offering BA Honors programs from January 2020. Now BA Honors in Psychology, program code BAPCH, is comprised of 26 courses, of which 18 are psychology, 4 are interdisciplinary, 2 are ability and 2 are skill enhancement courses. The duration of completion is minimum of 3 years and maximum of 6 years. Medium of instruction. So medium of instruction is either Hindi or English. However, you can change your option within 1 month of the first receipt of study materials on payment of the amount prescribed by the university. Now let us see what the program guide says about credits. Each credit in our course is equivalent to 30 hours of study, which includes reading and comprehending print or e-material, listening to audio-based materials, watching video-based materials, attending counseling sessions, completing activities of tutorials or laboratory, writing assignment responses. Now let us see the structure of BA Honors program. As we just saw, the program is of 148 credits. Following are the types of courses. Core courses. So we have 14 core courses, 6 credits course each. Then we have 8 elective courses, out of which 4 are discipline specific electives of 6 credits course each. General electives are 4 of 6 credits course each. Then we have ability enhancement courses, 4 of them. Ability enhancing compulsory courses are 4 credits course each, and skill enhancing courses are 4 credits course each. Now this is the calculation of your 148 credits course. Just multiply the 2 figures in each line item and add them up, making a credit score of 148. Now let's look at core courses which are aimed at building a good foundation for you in psychology. During the first 2 years of your BA Psychology Honors program, you will study courses on Introduction to Psychology, Biopsychology, Psychology of Individual Differences, Development of Psychological Thought, Developmental Psychology, Psychological Research and Social Psychology, Applied Social Psychology, and 2 courses on statistical methods for psychological research. These courses therefore add up to 10 core courses which you will study during the first 4 semesters of your 3-year program. These courses will introduce you to the fundamentals of psychology and its subfields, and will also equip you to better understand the core courses offered in the 3rd year that are related to specific areas in psychology. In your 3rd year, there are 2 courses on clinical psychology spread over 5th and 6th semester. Understanding psychological disorders, and the other is understanding and dealing with psychological disorders. The two more courses related to specific areas are organizational behavior in 5th semester and counseling psychology in 6th semester. So that makes total of 14 core courses during the 6 semesters of 3 years honors program in psychology. Each core course is worth 6 credits, out of which theory is of 4 and practical is 2 credits. Now you can take a screenshot of this and keep it with you, or it will be available in our Telegram group in high quality. Now coming to the discipline specific electives, you will encounter these in 5th and 6th semesters of the program, that is your last year. There will be 2 subjects in each semester, meaning total of 4 subjects. Each DSE or discipline specific electives is of 6 credits. The DSEs take you into the application of foundation of core courses into specific areas, namely well-being, environment and forensics. You will also carry out dissertation project from an applied perspective of psychology, which is of 6 credits. Now coming to ability enhancement compulsory courses, you will find 1 each in 1st and 2nd semesters. Each AECC is of 4 credit. The first AECC is BEVAE 181, that is your environment studies in your 1st semester. In 2nd semester you can opt for either English communication or Hindi Bhasha. Now next are your skill enhancement courses. These are value based or skill based courses and are designed to develop competencies and skills. Each SEC is of 4 credits weightage. SECs are available in your 2nd year. These courses are developed by discipline of anthropology. Next are your general electives. So general electives are interdisciplinary courses. These courses are on offer in the first 4 semesters of the program. The 4 GEs that are on offer in sequence are Indian society, images and realities, gender sensitization, society and culture, rethinking development, sustainable development. In order to provide greater choice to the learners, the university will add new SECs and GEs from time to time. These will be made known at the time of re-registration for the 2nd year. If you are interested to join a community of like-minded people, check out the link in the description of our Telegram group. Thank you.